Want to know how I used ChatGPT to create this pop art masterpiece? Yes, this shine bright like a diamond tumbler started with an idea and a little help from AI. Let me show you how I brought it to life. I started by asking ChatGPT to create a bold, colorful pop art style tumbler design with comic book flair. Something that screamed glam, but still felt handmade. At first, I had to ask it to correct the spelling and add more colors. It even created an SVG for me, but it was a little tricky to use. So I traced the image in Silhouette Design Studio since I have the enterprise software and exported it as an SVG. Then I brought it into Cricut Design Space to turn it into a stencil. Before anything else, I had to prep my canvas. I used a 24-ounce plump tumbler and coated it with Dixie Belle bonding gauze. This step is so important to make sure everything sticks and shines the way it should. Once the stencil was ready, I drew a straight line to help place it on the tumbler. I tried to go slow, wrapping it around the tumbler to make sure it was straight. Then I started weeding out just the outline portion of the cup. I used my black Posca marker to trace those outlines first. This step helps lock in where the rhinestones will go later. After that, I weeded out the rest of the stencil sections and used different colors of Posca markers to fill everything in. These paint markers are super vibrant and perfect for getting that bold pop art look. Then came the sparkle. I outlined the black parts with mostly SS8 rhinestones, perfect for that crisp, comic style effect. For the words though, I mixed rhinestone sizes to give it that dimensional shouting from the page look. For the rest of the cup, I went full neon. I used ombre fades, polka dots, and graphic lines to play up that pop art theme. I use tape to make straight lines where needed for extra clean shapes. The vibrancy, the texture, the attitude, I wanted it all to feel like it could jump off the cup. And for rhinestone colors, I use neon turquoise, neon sapphire, neon violet, neon peach red, neon green apple, neon papaya, and neon tangerine. And just like that, this cup went from an idea in my head to a prompt in ChatGPT to a rhinestone reality that definitely shines bright like a diamond. If you like this tutorial and want to see more creative ways I use AI and rhinestones together, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I've got more sparkle where that came from. Thank you for watching.